Welcome back. So these speakers have been bugging me here. They're sitting on my desk, but they're just a little too short and honestly not that great to look at. So I figured today would be a good time to fix it. Hi, I'm Leo, and if you're new here, I'm currently building wooden pieces for my office. So I brought some pieces of extra plywood and some lumber that I had from previous projects. And I'm not going to be focusing too much on the prep work because this is just a very quick and easy one. And the only thing that was a little hard was trying to figure out this land. Now I could have done better with the table saw, but I just put in a piece of wood on the top just to make this angle right here. And it looks pretty solid. Everything looks flush and very smooth, so I'm happy with the result. And even if the angle wasn't right, I could always readjust it later on. So I'm on to the sanding process, and honestly I'm glad that there wasn't a lot of pieces because it was hot outside. I realized I didn't really have a lot of support, so I had to put in extra glue. It's gonna be a little janky, but at the same time, I don't think it's gonna be holding up a lot of weight. This should do. So I'm almost done the top part of the bookshelf, and as you can see, it's lumber. It's similar to what I have on my desk already. And I just like the look of it. It's very, very woodsy, and it's kind of similar to the IKEA Ivar shelf that I have around it. This is where I was a little too worried. I took a little bit of extra time just to make sure everything was straight, just because the lumber wasn't really even. But there you have it, a bookshelf speaker that really didn't cost anything. And then doing a test, I realized there's a lot of room in the front, but there was also not so much room for that Mac Mini, but it's okay. I think it's gonna work out. I added an extra layer of shelving just because I thought it was a little too empty, and it looks just about right now. So hopefully you like it, and see you on the next build.